So, you have just completed an early morning visit to the Tenryuji Temple, or commonly known as the Golden Pavilion, in Kyoto, Japan. Your next destination is Arashiyama and the noted bamboo forest. But wait, along the way, there are a few other attractions worthy of a visit. Following the main road, the Honsuji Dori towards Arashiyama is another World Historic Site, the Rinzai Temple, with its famous Rinzai Hojo Teien rock garden. Continuing down the road, the next stop should be the Nonomiya Temple, noted for its cherry blossom trees and its large, unique Neomon gate. If time permits, a quick stop here is in order. At the intersection of the entrance to the Nonomiya Temple is a street leading south to the Omuro Nonomiya Station, where you can connect with the historic Randon Line train that ends at Arashiyama. However, after a busy morning temple hopping, hunger may get the best of you, and as you walk down the street towards the train station, there is a wonderful little family-run restaurant called Key Coffee, where you can replenish your energy stores with local cuisine provided by the usual welcoming hosts. Continuing down the street to the Omuro Nonomiya Station, catch the Keifuku Hitano Electric Railway train, or tram as they like to call it. Transfer to the Keifuku Arashiyama line at the Kara Biranotsuji station that ends at the town of Arashiyama. These two lines represent the last vestiges of the tram lines that ran throughout Kyoto starting in 1910. At one time, a decision was made to modernize these last two train lines, but the citizens put up such an uproar that the company decided to keep the two lines in operation. The lines are affectionately called Randon by the locals. It is then only a short walk from the Arashiyama station to the Tenryuji Temple. Unfortunately, this was a rainy day, so I was not able to take as many photos and videos as I would have liked. For a better walkthrough experience of the temple, see the videos posted in the comments by other YouTubers. Tenryuji, a registered World Heritage Site, is a true treasure of the Arashiyama district of Kyoto. Founded in 1339, the temple presently serves as one of the headquarters of the Rinzai school of Zen Buddhism. The name Tenryuji was suggested by Ashikaga Tadayoshi, the brother of the shogun Ashikaga Takauji, following a dream that he had of a golden dragon flying into the heavens from the river just south of the temple. Tenryuji's beautiful landscape garden and Sogenchi Teien pond, famous for its use of the shakei, or borrowed scenery from the surrounding mountains, was laid out by Muso Soseki, an eminent Zen master and the first one at Tenryuji. Tenryuji is also known for the cloud dragon painting in its Dharma hall and for the opportunities it offers visitors to participate in traditional Buddhist practices such as meditation and sutra copying. So let's get started.
That imp is believed to protect temple buildings from fire. And you can see a dry landscape garden here too. That tall rock is said to represent a sacred mountain in China. And white gravels represent the water coming from the mountain.
So he is the protector up there.
Oh yes.
Right there.
Look at that. The same one.
Oh.
Oh,
The right one opens its mouth. So it's agyo.
Oh yeah, from the other guy.
And this is ungyo.
Ungo.
And that small one must be a child imp. (1345).
wow.
And it was designed and built by Muso Soseki, a Buddhist priest and a garden designer at the same time. And he was also a good advisor to the first shogun, Ashikaga Takauji, when they began to build this garden. The first shogun didn't have much money left. So the priest suggested to him, why don't you begin trade with China? And asebi, this word, you saw it at Kinkakuji, ema, so horses. And this means get drunk.
Get drunk.
And tree. horses get drunk tree.
Because it's hanging down?
Because horses ate this
Oh,
and
and,
they got drunk.
and they get sick?
Yeah.
This is the bamboo forest, which you enter from the temple or shrine. Look at this. Look how thick in diameter these are. These are big.
Yeah, it's very good.
아니 일단은 찍어봐라.